Fellow residents of the internet, it's Tommy Toog. I'm back. I am indeed sat in the engine bay. So, we are getting down to the nitty-gritty of pulling things apart. Yeah, I'm kind of a little bit behind, but Frank's CG was overheating and the thermostat was cooked, so we changed that today. And we're starting a little bit later than scheduled, but it's whatever. So, where are we at? I disconnect the clutch line to the slave because that's got to stay. We don't need that to come out. I've got some sort of vacuum assisted system down there. That's disconnected. That's coming with the motor, because I'll make sure that goes back on the new one properly. I'll disconnect the fuel line because that's going to stay connected to the fuel rail because it's easier. What else got to disconnect? Power steering pump top line, that has to come off. That can stay in the bay so that the rack can come out. Last night I spent a little bit of time just undoing all these clips, which is good because no clips got broken or anything crazy. Rear mount, two-side torque mounts have got to come undone. There's a top two mounts still to do. And I think we're getting kind of close. Undone the vacuum assist for the brake booster. That's all undone. Yeah, and I think we're getting close at that point to ready to pull her out. Beautiful. Keep that on the rail. Oh yeah, boys. What a win. Little washer on that. Stay on there. And then I'll have to undo that, I guess. I don't know, I've never done one of these before. We'll figure it out. 14 or 15, I guess. Ooh. No. 17 might do it. 17's the key. Let's get that undone. Might be a long spanner job, that one. I wonder what's underneath. Yes. That should hold that bad boy down. Oh yeah, that's the one. Sick. That should just slide out. Just be aware there is a copper washer on that apparently. Apparently I didn't need to undo that, but it's a bit late now, isn't it? oh well, as they say. We got one in. Oh, yeah, we can crack that one one-handed. We'll use 2 on that one. Let's keep it simple. So we disconnect this, disconnect the reservoir, because the reservoir can stay. We don't need that out. That's just pointless. And yeah, that'll be the power steering and the rack disconnected, which would be nice. So you just have to wriggle it. It'll be sealed on an O-ring. Just wriggle it. There's that one out. Oh. We're going to clip that behind the wiper, so we don't have any issues with that. Being a pain in my ass. Let's throw these back in. Probably make a bung for this, but we don't have one, so I guess we're doing it this way. Sick. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a bolt tray heading into another dimension, which is nice. Alright, see you, bolt. I guess I'll find that after and deal with that. What else could we have? Yeah. Really don't want to have to swap power steering fluid everywhere, but I am anyway. So, whatever. Let's undo that. Wedge that in there. That won't go anywhere. It's not ideal, but it works. So now we're just leaking power steering fluid everywhere, which is fine. That's is what it is. Here's the other side of the loom we disconnected. So obviously it all comes in a firewall plug. This is one side of the motor. That goes into the fuse box. And this is the other side back into the firewall under here into the ECU. So there's a couple other things to disconnect, but I feel like I've missed something. I don't know, if I've missed something, comment below on what I've missed. Up here, we have a torque mount. So I've undone the end nut off it. There's the 20mm nut, the washer on it. And now, with a bit of luck, we're going to undo the 2 side bolts that mount it to the chassis, and this side should fall out, and that would be nice. Little wins, boys, little wins. So there's a bolt each side, 14mm. Give it a fair wrench, it'll come off. So these 2 literally are just torque mounts, and all they stop from doing is the motor twisting in the bay with the force of the gearbox, obviously twisting it from side to side, I guess. That's how it was explained to me anyway. But yeah, so that's one bolt undone. The other one should fall out. I should get this side off. To the other side. In the meantime, I undid the heater tap, or heater core. Both of those were pretty rough and emotional, but that misery's over. Got that sorted, so they're dealt with. Now with this side, I may end up taking the front off. The front of the mount off, just because it'll be a pain possibly to slide out. Right, this one's obviously shagged, so I'll slide this out. Jesus. Rough. As you can see, this one's obviously pretty destroyed. Let's not lose those, because that will make my life horrible. try and get a lot done. So all you do is undo this hard line, give that a spin. That's now free. Clip that out with a screwdriver. This little clip, this retainer. Oh. Retainer clip comes out. That clip comes out. Now, I'm just going to let that drain a bit, so I'm just going to loosen that because that will hold us up. Another piece of the puzzle disconnected. Alright, down in here you can just see the socket. That's the rear mount. So we're going to undo that now. This torque mount under here is loose, but that comes with the AC bracket. So what you're going to do is loosen that top mount here, drop the engine down a bit, and then that mount wriggles out from underneath. So I just left the bolts loose in that. That's all ready to go. Now I'm going to crack this top mount, this bottom mount, and then we're down to the last two mounts, I believe. The heater tap's all done. Power steering's disconnected. I just got to pop it out of that hose there. This little fuel hose can come out. And yeah, hopefully that's everything. Oh yeah, we're getting some motor rock now, boys. As you can see, to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Whee! No torque mounts, she swings. So probably gonna wrap it up there for today, I guess. I'll disconnect those two pipes, move them out the way. Then it should be just the motor. I'll start loosening the mounts while I have a couple of minutes. Nothing you haven't seen before, and nothing you won't see again. And then start deciding what points I'm going to use to mount this to the engine crane. Bolt hole there, sounds beautiful. What else we got? Something on this side. What do we got? Probably no idea. Probably use something on one of those, I guess. We get high tensile bolts. So what you got to do is take both mounts off. Your gearbox tilts down, and then this side comes out. This mount, we take all of it off. So that stud, everything, all that, the whole mount comes out. We don't mess around, and it should tilt and come out. But that's tomorrow's problem. But yeah, you know, we're not going to give anything away today. I don't have anything to give away. Comment down below what I'm going to give something away sometime soon. So comment down below what you want to be given, I guess. And best comment, I guess I might give you what you want. But we'll see. So I don't know. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Have fun. If you need a Honda engine swapped, I guess, give me a call. See ya.